The first step to replacing your Volvo XC90 key fob battery is opening the case. For models before 2016, you might need a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open or to remove tiny screws. Locate the seam on the side or back of the fob. If prying, be extremely gentle to avoid cracking the plastic housing. A plastic pry tool or even a credit card can help. A recall in 2024 highlighted the risk of cracking housings, so proceed with caution. Newer models, 2016 onwards, usually have a sliding back cover that requires no tools. If sliding, firmly push the cover in the direction indicated by the arrows. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. Remember to work in a well-lit area to prevent losing any small parts. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Most Volvo XC90 key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Note the orientation of the battery before removing it. The positive plus side usually faces up. You can use a small, non-metallic tool to gently lift the battery out. Insert the new CR20032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Ensure the battery is securely in place and aligned with the contacts. Snap or slide the key fob case back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Volvo XC90. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the battery is new and fully charged. If issues persist, consult your Volvo owner's manual for reset procedures or seek professional assistance.